my creative friends. Welcome back to the Zen and Creativity YouTube channel, the place where we focus on meditative art techniques for beginners. My name is Yehudit Steinberg, and I'm an artist, educator, and a designer, and I am a certified Zentangle teacher. That if you see those initials behind different people's names and you wonder what the heck is a CZT? Well, CZT is a certified Zentangle teacher that has gone through the program that Zentangle Inc. offers on how to teach their specific method of meditative art. I'm really excited to be here once again and to get started with Inktober 2023. Over the past year, I've spent a lot of time teaching and teaching beginner Zentangle art to teaching the fundamentals of the Zentangle method. And now I'm ready to share what I've learned with all of you on this channel. But first, let's get a little background on what the heck is Inktober. I didn't know before I started doing Zentangles back in 2020. So I want to give you a little bit of the history of what is Inktober. What the heck is Inktober? October is an annual celebration for pen and ink artists around the world. And it is a perfect opportunity to give Zentangle ink art a try. Inktober was started in 2009 by illustrator Jane Parker. And what the purpose and intention of this challenge is to improve your ink skills and develop positive drawing habits. Every day for the month of October, anyone participating in the Inktober challenge worldwide at least tries to create an ink drawing and post it online. Now let's talk about what is Inktober Tangles 2023. So Inktober Tangles 2023 is really a fun twist on the Inktober worldwide community. It's your chance to join the vibrant global Zentangle community of ink artists in a month-long artistic adventure throughout October day by day. Stephanie Jennifer CZT from Singapore, she started offering a Tangle a Day prompt 7 years ago for the Zentangle community. Over the years, it's really grown in popularity, and this year it seems like it's really busting forward, and there's a number of different Tangle artists and teachers that are online offering daily videos like I'm planning on doing. So let's talk about how I'm going to participate in Inktober 2023 this year. First of all, I will be uploading a video a day. We have 31 days and 31 different tangle patterns that the Inktober Tangles 2023, the community will be drawing each day during October. Here's how you can participate with this channel, and I have an interactive component that I'm really excited about. On Sundays every week during the month of October, I have a Zoom, a 1-hour Zoom that you can join and come, and we'll learn a little bit about the tangles for the week. we will share what we've done, and we will be able to ask questions. Some of the tangles might seem a little difficult for you, and this is going to be the place where you're going to figure out how the heck to get that tangle to work right. So we have the YouTube channel where I'm going to upload a video a day that is a prompt that the Inktober Tangles community that Stephanie Jennifer has created for this year. And you will get an email every day, and it will give a link to this channel right to the video of the day. You also receive a workbook, and this workbook is pretty extensive. I'm going to show you a little bit of what's in the book, because we have so many goodies in there, and particularly for beginner tanglists. And now I want to show you a few things that I have in the guide, so you have an idea of what you're getting when you join. And the link to join is in the description of this intro video, and it will take you to Eventbrite. And on Eventbrite, you register for the live Zooms. Now, even if you're not going to come to the Zooms, I'm pre-recording, and you will get an email, and you will have access to what we did during each week. So it really is a great idea, even if you're not coming to the Zoom. Okay, so here is the beginner's guide that I've created for Inktober Tangles 2023. Oop, don't mean to be flipping so fast. But you get a table of contents, and you can see all the different areas that you will get in this workbook. So I give a little description about the what is Inktober, but what's really cool right here is here's a link to Stephanie Jennifer's Inktober Tangles guide, and so the links will be orange throughout this guide, and there's also some buttons there. And there's a link to my YouTube channel, so you don't have to go searching for it. Now, how does the Inktober Tangles work? We have, as I said, we have daily tangle videos. We have the Sunday Zoom sessions. They're recorded, and you get a chance to be part of a community and join in if that's what you're looking for as well. And I have a bonus. I created a 1-hour playlist. It's a meditative playlist, so it will help you if you're looking to have to tangle in a meditative mood. This is a great playlist, and it's 1 hour long, and it's on Spotify, so the link's right here. And here I've given you the steps to participate. This is a list of each tangle for each day. And then I've gone ahead and I've given you a link to a step out for each of the tangles. Oop, gosh. A supply list. And here you can download a supply list that I put together for beginner supplies. And I have tangle templates for you, and you can choose which ones you'd like to use. So this is a step out. This is a tangle step out. So every day I will be sharing the step out with you on the video, and also a picture in the email that you receive. And in Zentangle, we have 6 step outs. Each pattern is, each Zentangle pattern does not have any more than 6 steps. That is set forth by the Zentangle co-creators, Maria and Rick Roberts. Here's a 2-inch. This is our bijou tile style size, and there's a practice sheet, so you can use this. You don't have to have a lot of different, you don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of different supplies. And this is a template for the 3.5-inch square, so you can practice, and you don't have to go and buy their Zentangle tiles. Now, I created a mandala template, and this is what I'm going to be using this year as well. And there's 31 spaces, and each day you get to choose which one you want to fill in, and you create your piece of art. Now, there's different ways that you can do this. My intention is to do a watercolor wash first, and then to transfer this template on it. And each day I will, at the end of each video, I will be drawing on this template. I've also put a calendar in here in case you want to draw the pattern for each day in this calendar. And you have some information, some general information on Zentangle, and this is really helpful. Zentangle has its own terminology, and so if you're unfamiliar, I've put a couple of pages of our most popular and most used terminology. A little bit about me, how you can support me. So that basically is what we have in that workbook, and that link is in the description. And now what I'd like to do for just a second is I'd like to go into my studio. I want to show you what I did last year, and I will hopefully it gives you some ideas. There's so many different ideas, and also there will be links in the description to a couple of intro videos that some of my colleagues did that might give you some more ideas on how you might put together these 31 days and create a piece of artwork. So this is called a step out, and I do these for each day of Inktober, and I will do a separate video on how to do the step outs. Last year, what I did was I drew the step outs on each video, but we're not going to do that this year. What I'm going to do this year is I'm going to show you the step out. You take a screenshot and you have it, because I don't know about you, but I really, when I'm doing my drawing, I don't really want to be on my phone or on a video. Well, I want you to watch the video, but, I want to limit my time that I'm online, and maybe I just want to try drawing it without having to go searching for it. So this is a step out. You have a step out template in your beginner's guide. The second thing I want to show you is what I did last year. So I did step outs, but I also did these. I did these different, for each day, I did a 2x2 bijou tile of the tangle of the day. And I keep a notebook that has different challenges, the classes I teach, and then I also categorize by different categories. And I will give you the category of each one of the tangles that we do, so that you can put that on the back. You can write that information in on the back of your tile. The other thing that I did last year, this is the mandala that I did completed, and it actually is in a frame, but I took it out of the frame so we don't see all the glare, and I filled it in one tangle a day. So I'll be doing that again as well. So I really hope that you join me on this journey and of Inktober Tangles 2023. And again, the link to get signed up to be part of us is in the description. And if you have any questions, you can send me your questions as well. Well, actually, what we're doing, this is YouTube, is to ask them in the comments. I'd love to get your comments, and I'll answer each and every one of them. So looking forward to Inktober getting started just really soon, in just a few days. And happy tangling.